What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, I might have found the next king of passive income, the next leader, the next best thing when it comes to passive income, the next best thing since sliced bread. I don't even know why it's a statement. Sliced bread is not even that good. But anyways, Metaverse Pro. I've been hearing about this a lot the past week. Literally, I think it literally has been only a week I've heard about this. It's been all over Twitter. People have been DMing me about it. People have been emailing me about it. I don't even know how they found my email. They've been all in my comment section talking about, yo, Metaverse Pro, check out Metaverse Pro. You think Metaverse Pro is good? Should I put all my money in there? Should I invest my life savings into Metaverse Pro? I got you. Listen, I've done the research recently. You know what I'm saying? Well, since I heard about it, I started researching about it and people have been asking me. So I'm like, I'm tired of telling people I don't know what Metaverse Pro is. So I decided to put the work in. I've been researching it. I understand what the project is now. I've studied the people that are in the background of it. I've studied their white paper, which they don't really have, but we'll get into that in the video. And I decided to make this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly what this coin is, what they're about, what they're offering, the crazy high APY they're offering. They're offering some ridiculous numbers, some absolutely ridiculous numbers, but we'll get into that a little bit later. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how you can get into this project if you decide to do so yourself after you do your own research, because do not rely on this video, because I will not be giving you every single thing about the project, because I want to force you to do your own research and not trust the dude you see on YouTube or on Twitter or on Instagram. Without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Before we get into the video, I do have to say I did share this with my people on Patreon first. So if you guys do want to be a part of that, you want to be notified whenever I buy a new coin, researching a new coin, taking profit on some coins, honestly, follow me on Patreon. You know what I'm saying? It's a fun time in there. It's a lot of people that have decided to join. I'm very grateful for everybody that has joined. I've already made people 60% in one day, 20% in another coin, 10% in another coin. So we out here making the money back that you even using to sign up with the Patreon. So if that's something you're interested in, first thing inside the description, or just go to the comments, it'll be pinned at the top as well. But without further ado, let's really hop into this video now. So boom, Metaverse Pro, right? This is their website right here. It looks literally almost identical to OlympusDAO. Their whole white paper, I keep doing this for white paper because they technically don't even have a white paper, but their whole white paper is always talking about OlympusDAO. They are an OlympusDAO fork, of course, just like Time Wonderland, just like Klima, just like Spartacus, just like all these other ones, you know what I'm saying? But this one is more so geared towards the metaverse, more so geared towards GameFi, more so geared towards just the next, what do they call it? Web3, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want a video about Web3, I can make that as well. And also, I kind of want to, would y'all be interested in play to earn games? Like if I showed you guys the best play to earn games that you guys can just play video games and make money on, is that a video you guys would be interested in? If it is, comment it down below, let me know and I'll do a video on it, because I am invested heavily in some pretty big play to earn games. I want to do a video showing you guys how to earn the most money on these games as well. If you guys want that, hit the like button and comment it down below. Make sure to subscribe too with the post notifications on, because I'm dropping gems, straight gems, you know what I'm saying, very frequently. So you're gonna want to be notified whenever I post them. But like I said, it is a reserve system that's more so based towards the metaverse and GameFi. That's basically what they're building up their treasury for. Like I said, it is an OlympusDAO fork. I'm not going to go too in depth of what exactly everything is about it. I just want to point some stuff out in their docs. But like I said, they don't actually have like a real white paper, and also they don't have a good roadmap as well. I want to tell you guys this right now. It's a very risky investment. I want to tell you this off rip. I'm not going to hide nothing. Very risky investment. Do your own research before you decide to invest anything into this, and do not invest your life savings. Don't invest hundreds of $millions. Don't invest your rent money. Don't invest your child's college funds. None of that. You know what I'm saying? This is like a little throwaway money we throw away. If we make some money, we happy. If we lose the money, we sad, but we don't die. You know what I'm saying? But it's a very new project. It literally just came out on the 22nd, which is about I can't even talk, 7 days ago. So it's very new. The owner is well, the founder of it is super sketch as well. The whole team has not been doxxed yet. I'm not trying to talk down on the project. I just want to make all the risks very plain to you guys, so you guys kind of understand before you just decide to throw $100 million into this. But if we scroll down here, we can actually go to his Twitter page. It's right here. This is the founder's Twitter page. As you see, does not show his name, does not show his face, has no accountability. So if it's a rug pull, which we all hate that word, but if it is a rug pull, he would get away free. You know what I'm saying? He's very new in the space as well. As you see, he only has 385 followers. Metaverse Pro only has 8,000 followers as well, compared to like Wonderland, who has way more than them, and OlympusDAO, who has way more than them. But this is the owner right here. Like I said, none of the founders or coders and none of that are public at all. So that is a little bit of a red flag. But they are doing an AMA on December 1st. So hopefully that'll help ease people into, or kind of ease me, you know what I'm saying, make me feel safer about investing in this project, because if they're able to come out and kind of explain who they are and do all that on the AMA, then that's definitely a good look for this project as a whole. If you scroll through this white paper, which I hope you all do, if this is something you guys would want to invest in, it talks a lot about OlympusDAO. To me, they're like a complete copy and paste of OlympusDAO, just with different goals in mind. Like I said, their goal is more so towards the metaverse and the gaming parts of blockchain versus OlympusDAO's. So another thing about the roadmap is they only have a roadmap for the Q1 of 2022, which if you research these projects, most of the time they have roadmaps for the entire next year. So it does look a little bit sketchy that they only have the Q4 part of their roadmap, which is what we're in right now. And then Q1 of next year, which they says Metaverse Pro lending is going to come online, Metaverse Pro Launchpad, and the NFT drop. So honestly, only time will tell if all of that does happen, and also what are their plans in the future. But getting that out the way, I just wanted to get all the bad stuff out the way. Now let's talk about the good stuff of this project, right? So it is on the Binance Smart chain. So that is a plus, because it makes it easy for a lot of people to get into this, if this is something that people want to get into. Their current APY is 460,000%, which is freaking ridiculous, if I do say so myself. That is literally, if you put let's do the math real quick. If you put $1,000 into this and you leave it in there for 1 year, and let's hope the price of everything stays the same, let's say the percentage stays the same, let's times that by 4601, you would make $4.6 million off of $1,000 investment in 1 year. That is absolutely ludicrous, absolutely crazy. Now, the likelihood of this staying this high, of the APY staying this high, is very low. But let's say it goes down to 100% APY, 100,000% APY. Let's say it goes to 50,000% APY. You're still making some incredible gains with such a small risk included in that, and that is if you keep it in there and let it compound. But that is a plus of it. It's offering some crazy high APY compared to OlympusDAO is offering around 8,000%, I believe, right now, and Wonderland is offering 83,000%, which both of those are still absolutely great. If you told anybody you can earn 8,000% APY 5 years ago, they would think you were the stupidest person in the entire world. But that is a thing now, so I guess this number isn't that crazy to us anymore. Another thing that I see on the positive side is the amount of meta staked in this system, or this reserve as a whole. 77% of all the meta tokens are actually staked right now, and if you read through their white paper or their docs, you kind of see where the rest are allocated. So a lot of people that are holding this coin are staking them, which I guess makes sense, because I don't think anybody wants to just hold the coin and not get these crazy high APYs. But that's another thing that I find a W about the project. So yeah, that's really all I want to go through. Like, I don't want to get into too much of what it is, because I want to force you guys to do your own research before you guys hop into this project. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can buy it now and how you can get into it, and then I'm going to also end up staking some myself, and I'll probably keep you guys updated in like a week or a couple days to see how the project is going, to see if I'm making money on it, to see if I'm losing money on it. I'll keep you guys updated. So if you're excited for that, make sure you leave a like right now. And now let's hop into how exactly you can be part of this thing. Yeah. So boom, the simplest way to do it, honestly, is to come on KuCoin or to go on Binance and buy yourself some BNB token. And once you have BNB, you're gonna need to get it inside of your MetaMask, which I already have done, and I've also transferred it to their token, which is right here. Meta 2.311 Meta is in my account. But basically, all you have to do is have Trust Wallet on your browser or on your phone, and you need to have BNB, and then you'll just come right to PancakeSwap. You can either go to PancakeSwap yourself or on their website here. If you enter app, they'll direct you where to buy it. You just press buy Meta and it'll pop up right here and let you convert your BNB, or honestly any Binance token that's on the Binance Smart Chain. It'll let you convert that to their token, but I do suggest you do use BNB because you'll get the lowest fees. So once you then have the Meta inside of your MetaMask, this is gonna be hard to keep up, Meta in your MetaMask, but once you do have the Meta inside of your MetaMask, then you will come to this website right here, app.metamask.pro, or if you're on the main website, literally just press app how I did before, and it'll pop up right here. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain, and if this is your first time doing it like it is for me, you have to press approve, and you're gonna have to approve it through your MetaMask. It costs 14 cents, so let's confirm it real quick. 14 cents could have bought me, what can 14 cents buy actually? I don't know, but I don't have it anymore, so I guess it's buying me an approval on the Metaverse Pro thingy. So if we look right here, the APY is 424,461% as of right now. They have $80 million locked in there, or $80 million are basically doing exactly what you're doing, or we're both about to do. This is going pretty slow, but we're not going to talk about that. But if we look on the ROI, the 5-day rate, it's absolutely ridiculous, which is 12% in 5 days. So if you put $1,000 into there, you're making $120 every single 5 days just for keeping it inside of here, which is absolutely ridiculous compared to like Time Wonderland. You're earning still some pretty high percentages. You're earning like 6%, is it 6 or 9? I'm pretty sure it's like 9%. Actually, let's go to it right now. app.wonderland.com. It's not gonna let me, so, oh yeah, 9.6% you're earning every 5 days. So 12% is absolutely ridiculous. This is actually taking a while, so I'm just gonna come back when this is done. All right, so boom, it is finally finished. It literally took like a minute or two, something like that. So now we're able to stake it. So all we're gonna do is press max right here, and it shows your balance here, whatever balance you're holding inside of your MetaMask. You're just gonna press max if you want to stake all of it, and you're just gonna press stake Meta, and then again we're gonna have to go through here. It's gonna charge us again. I'm not sure exactly how much this is, but it's a couple pennies. It's not that much because we're not on the Ethereum blockchain, which is the gas fees for that are just ridiculously high, honestly, at this point. But while we wait for this to load, let's go to their actual price right now. Their price right now is $447 per token. So let's keep that in mind when we do the update video in about a week or so, just so we know what number we bought in at, which is $447. If we look at their chart, like I said, it literally came out on the 22nd. This is the last, if we could press the monthly chart, the most frequent, the last time that it showed up on CoinMarketCap, or the first time it showed up on CoinMarketCap was November 22nd, which was literally 7 days ago. So like I said, it is a very, very new coin. It was very stagnant during this time, but then it hit a big, huge rise over here, reached a high of $577, and then it started coming down a little bit. It dropped down here. I'm not sure exactly what caused that, but then it rallied back up. And now we are at the price that we're at right now, which is $447. So let's see if this finished. It still did not finish. I guess this is Binance for you. So I guess I'll come back when this is done too. All right, so boom, here we are. It is finished now. It transferred from your balance. So now we have $0 in my balance, and it transferred it over to your staked balance, which is 2.3119 Meta. Yeah, so now we are officially staked, and if we want to unstake, all we have to do is come over here on unstake. We'd have to approve it again, just like we did, and then we would just press max and unstake. And then if we want to convert that to any other currency, we would honestly just do the exact opposite of what we did when we first started it. So we come back into PancakeSwap, and instead we would have Meta up here. Actually, I should do it really quickly. No, that is not it. But we'd have Meta right here. Then we convert that to either BNB or literally any other currency on the Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like right now. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Are you invested in this? You know what I'm saying? Should I put more into it? This is around $1,000 worth. I forgot to note that, did I? This is around $1,000 worth of Meta. Could be about $1,030, but we're just gonna say it's $1,000. So in about a week or so, I'll come back, make a video, and show you guys my progress on it, if I've made money from it, if I've lost money for it. And yeah, feel free to stay updated with me on my Patreon. If you guys want, you guys can sign up. Like I said, you'll be notified whenever I take profit on anything. You'll be notified whenever I'm buying a new coin, whenever I'm looking for a new coin that's coming out. You guys will be notified with all of that. You'll be notified whenever it's a red day in the market. What am I doing? What am I thinking? If it's a green day, what am I doing? What am I thinking? So if you're interested in that type of thing, make sure you sign up for the Patreon. But if you don't, I'm still dropping gems on this channel. Every single time I drop gems on the channel. I'm not gonna say every day because I'm dropping them as frequently as possible, but I don't want to say every day just yet. If y'all enjoying it though, make sure you leave a like right now, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and good luck on your trades, good luck on your cryptos, good luck on your businesses, good luck on life as a whole. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.